Hey guys, so this is Olaf here, and I'm hearing weird noises. I don't know why I'm hearing this, but this might be officially important. Some people on Discord were just like on were telling me some outages, and I was seeing some servers having some temporary outages, and I saw them on Discord, but it's gone now. And now I'm hearing weird noises for some reason. It happened at night, but I woke up at 9 p.m. So I just want to make a video. Oh, it just stopped right now. I was near. That's because I was near. Okay. So I have no reason why am I hearing this, but I have no reason how am I hearing this, but this looks no, oh my god, what did I just hear for my oh it's nothing for my office chair, and it's coming back. I'm hearing it. I'm hearing it. Gotta gotta zoom up. Okay, it was very good. It just stopped when I was coming nearby that vacuum or door, I guess. I think it's both. It's gonna start back again. Thank you guys for watching. From that weird noises, I was gonna hear it because for some reason I'm hearing it for some reason. I guess I don't know why. But thanks for watching, guys. See you on next video, and I will be there. Or not if I'm making some videos without me in there. Just goodbye. Just go on my Discord or my Discord server. So thanks for watching, guys. And this is LO5 here, and goodbye.